Interested in getting started with voice acting? My name is Melissa Moats, and I am a 25-year career voice actor and also the creator of the Voice Actor Studio in Las Vegas. I've had the privilege of mentoring thousands of aspiring talent just like you, and I remember all of the questions I had when I first started. When you're brand new to voice acting, some talent unknowingly romanticize what they think voice acting is. So that's why I lead our Intro to Voiceover workshop to cover the most commonly asked questions, like, how do I start? Do I need an agent? How do I set up a home studio? And what's the deal with AI? What kind of opportunities are out there for my voice? And a whole lot more. No gatekeeping here. So whether you decide to attend in studio or virtually, get your questions ready, and I'll look forward to seeing you there.